Highly recommend DentalWriter for those of you trying to get into dental sleep medicine or TMD.
It's an invaluable asset in my practice.
DentalWriter has been a lifesaver.
DentalWriter is a great software, easy to use, you should try it.
It's a wonderful software and we recommend it highly.
We have had the chance to interact with DentalWriter. Their wonderful practice software helps us out with creating our medical billing as well as our medical software notes, and helps that out as we communicate that with physicians. A wonderful adjunct software to help us out with documentation as well as collecting the information. It's nice and easy. You click the boxes, it generates reports, and away we go.
DentalWriter's been a really terrific addition to my practice. It's helped organize workflows and notes to make sure that I'm on top of documentation.
When I started off in sleep and pain a little bit, I was looking for another way to kind of get out of my general dental practice software and get into something a little bit more advanced that could kind of help guide me. I've tried other software options too. And DentalWriter really seems to have fit the way I practice, and it's really good, and the support's really good. If you are just getting started or kind of on the cusp of trying to decide which way to go, I think DentalWriter is really solid, and it's something to look into.
What I found with it, it is so easy to use. Being able to just click the diagnosis, click the treatment codes, and know that I'm going to get this nice, informative soap narrative that I can use is so easy. And it does make it streamlined for my practice.
There's a tremendous amount of correspondence that needs to be done and letters to be written. And with DentalWriter, that's all set up for you. Plus it organizes the billing. How about the medical history? Just getting the medical history from a patient. I would ask a patient to fill out about 16 to 20 forms online. So they have an online, which was fabulous.
It has been an excellent software. We've been able to successfully bill to medical insurance companies and get reimbursement. Not only that, but we've also been able to document and use the charting module to be able to build wonderful letters to provide to our physicians to keep everyone in the same circle of communication. It's excellent for our patients to be able to go to any office and then for that physician to know what we have done in our practice.
DentalWriter has made the whole process a whole lot easier, and we love it. We highly recommend it.